Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Today I'm gonna be making macaroni salad. Stay tuned if you want to see wagwan. Look, no, this recipe is a hit, may I tell you. As you can see here, I'm using grace elbows. So set some water to boil and I'm gonna toss them in there. This is gonna take about 10 to 15 minutes to cook, guys. You just wanna eyeball them, you don't have to babysit them. Added some salt to that. Gonna let these cook uncovered until they're just tender. You don't want them to be mushy, so kind of check on that. Now while the pot a bubble, let's make the sauce. I'm using some Swiss mayonnaise, some mustard. You can use Dijon mustard or whatever mustard you want. Just make sure you use a good quality mustard. And sour cream for a kick of flavor. I'm gonna add some of that in there. I got my black pepper, some white sugar, and a touch of vinegar. That little tang. Now I'm gonna whisk that real good till it's nice and blended. Now these are fully cooked, as you can see. They're nice and fluffy. Gonna go ahead and drain them. Add some water to that to stop the cooking process. Rinse them off a bit. You want them to be cool. You don't want to add the sauce while they're hot. I have some chopped parsley there, red onion. You can use whatever herbs you want. I have my red bell peppers, just for the colors to pop. You can use whatever color you have at hand. I have some sweet corn here. Trust me, this is gonna be good. And celery. If you don't like celery, you can leave that out. Chives for extra flavor, and I got some shredded carrot. You can choose to chop your carrot if you want. That's totally up to you. And I'm gonna add the sauce, and I'm gonna give this a good stir. Now look at that nice, inexpensive, delicious, fancy side dish. And it's easy to make, like 1, 2, 3. Make sure you serve this chilled, guys. Pop it in the fridge for a little while till it's nice and chilled, and enjoy. Color popping, taste slapping, side dish. See you in the next video. Bye.